Connecting the field to the enterprise is critical for continuous improvement. New tools now make it easy for technicians to capture real-world issues and feed that information directly into the digital workflow.
One quick thing which we wanted to do is that to be able to quickly capture what's happening on the field and get that information back to Windchill. So we call that continuous issue feedback. And what we did was that we integrated a way, whenever a technician sees something, they can actually report it. They can simply capture it, they can take a photo, they can put a description on it, they can put a voice recording on it, and then basically said, I have noticed this. And then this actually affects this particular component, within this particular machine, and then let me go ahead and send that out. And then that information gets actually sent to ServiceMax, and it can be processed for usage by Windchill, right? So this is something that we've actually already released right away. I guess the other part is, and again, that allows you to be able to have a better shot at designing something for service if you understand what is actually happening in the real world. The second one that we actually did on the ServiceMax side is I kind of mentioned that, hey, I think that the opportunity is that systems like Windchill defines the intention of the product. The question is, how can you capture that information in ServiceMax? That's exactly what we did. We actually introduced a set of functionality that allows you to be able to capture how is this product supposed to be configured? What is the component that should be on this particular one? And then we built that into the product. You can take that information, you can get that information from Windchill, bring it into ServiceMax, you can start to automate things. So that when you are, because of preventative maintenance plan where part is automatically ordered, you can make sure that if that information is updated, let's say that for this particular product, this version, this revision, an update has come out, you can make sure to order the right part, right? Or if a technician is trying to perform work and then they try to actually swap a part with some part that they should not be using, you can flag that as well. You can kind of imagine that field service is really all about field service automation, and then having this information that originates upstream and bring it downstream enables us to automate all these things that you were talking about so that a product and service can deliver on that intention of the product itself.
By closing the loop between field service and engineering, organizations can respond faster, automate more, and ensure every product delivers on its original promise.